1993 Chevy Caprice Classic station wagon. He's gonna make it into a sleeper, which is awesome. It's got like 132,000 miles original. Anyways, what we did on it, put a high flow cat right there instead of that gigantic cat right there. Let it breathe a little bit more. Then it's stock 2.5-inch pipe. Then we put a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK right there. And again, there'll be a link in the description for the cat and the MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK. And then a massive 4-inch tip that we did earlier. We actually straight piped it. I should have done a video, but we've been busy. But it was a little bit too loud for him. He wanted it to be tamed down. Then we put him a massive 4-inch by 18 roll tip right there. And like always, guys, please subscribe, like, and comment, and all that good stuff. Chevy Caprice Classic. You don't see much of these anymore, and I love it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. 1995 Chevy Caprice V8. Really nice car. It's only got 48,000 miles, all original. And you can tell it's really clean. Got factory converter there, second factory converter there. Then what we did on it, it came single from the deal, originally right there. We true dualed it all the way back and dumped it in the middle. There and there. As you guys can see, looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. He wanted it to growl. We said, we got you, no problem. There's the muffler, there's the wide pipe, there's the tailpipe, there's the resonator that we cut off right there. That's everything we cut off and dumped it in its place right there. There you guys can see. Like always, please guys, like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Yeah, it took all the rest out. Still loud enough. Imagine if it was dual. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right? Whoa, reach 108. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it up. Oh my God. Look how much deeper it is since we put the cat on it. That high flow, it opened it up a lot. It changed the sound completely, huh?
Yeah, that's amazing.
You gotta tint the windows.
Yeah, that's nice.
See now it's jumping? Look, you can see it tilted a little bit. It's like, finally I can breathe! Yeah! That's awesome. One more? Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Caprice. Much better. Yeah. I like it. I like it. Sound decibel. Look at that thing pop. 115. Easy. He's really got it, man. Like easy. Come on. I think he's as excited as you are, man. Yeah. It sounds good, though. Chevy Caprice. What do you guys think? I like it. It resonates off the ground. Yeah, it's resonating off the ground. It sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Caprice Classic 1993 with MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK, high flow cat, and a 4-inch roll tip. classic. He's taking it to the paint shop next. He's building it little by little. When he's done with it, it's gonna be a whole different car. He's gonna put 24s on it. Yeah, that's sick. Hopefully it goes beast mode. It sounds good, setting stuff.